Students, a very good morning to you all and welcome to science class. In last class we have seen up to bathing. In today's class we are going to see protecting sense organs. Take page number 93. Look at that, protecting sense organs. Sense organs help us to observe and understand the world around us. There are five main ways we can do this: through sight with our eyes, touch with our skin, smell with our nose, taste with our tongue, and hearing with our ears. First of all, what is sense organs? An organ of the body which respond to the external stimuli is known as sense organs. Sense organ means nothing. It is an organ of body respond to the external stimuli, that is known as sense organ. Our body will respond, that is known as sense organs. There are five sense organs, that are sight, touch, smell, taste and hearing. Okay, sight through our eyes, touch through our skin, smell through our nose, taste through our tongue, hearing through our ears. These are the five sensory organs in a human body. What are all the sensory organs? Sight, touch, smell, taste, hearing. These are the five sensory organs in a human body. Next, in this section, we will discuss the way by which we can take care of our sense organs. What they have told, topic itself that only protecting sense organs. In this chapter we are going to see how to protect sense organ. Likewise they have given, by nature all the sense organs have some ways to protect themselves. For example, the eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes from dust and other foreign particles. In this para, what they have said means naturally sense organs are there. No, five sense organs I have told above. Naturally, that sense organ protect themselves. We no need to protect. Naturally, it will protect themselves. For example, eyelids, like they say no. In eye, upward air is there, no, that only. And lashes protect the eye from dust and foreign particles. That will protect from eyes from dust and foreign particles. Foreign particles means something that enters the eye from outside the body. That is known as foreign particle. Foreign particle means something will enters the eye from outside the body is known as foreign particle. Okay, this is one example. Next, how should we take care of our sense organs? Likewise, they have asked a question. Here, thinking zone. Look at that. Anu plays with her baby brother. As he cries, she gave him a pencil. On seeing this, Anu's mom was shocked. She quickly takes the pencil back. Do you know why? What? In this, they are giving some thinking zone to us. A small girl is playing with her small baby brother. Okay. He is crying. For that girl gave a sharp pencil to that baby's hand. By seeing this, Anu's mother was shocked and quickly take the pencil away from the baby. Why? The reason is a baby will not handle a pencil properly. If it hit the eye means the eye will damage. So Anu's mother will shock and took the pencil away from the baby. Okay, next, eyes. See, do's and don'ts. Do's means what are all the things we should do to protect our eye. And next to that, they have given, see, don'ts. Don'ts means these and all the things we should avoid to care our eyes, that is mentioned. First, we read the do's. What are all the good things we have to do to protect our eyes? Read with proper light. That means while reading time and all, you have to read with the proper light. Proper light in the sense means the light should not be in a very low power, and the light should not be in a high power. It should be in a proper content, then only your eyes will be protected. Watch television from a minimum distance of 6 feet. We should watch at TV with a minimum 6 feet of distance. We should not watch a television by going close to the TV. Okay, it is a very bad habit. If we do likewise means our eye will affect. If you feel your eyes are itchy, wash them with clean and cold water. What they have given? One advice. Sometimes our eyes will be itchy. For that we will do taking our hands and keeping in the eyes, and we will do something. Likewise and all we should not do. If some itchy in the eyes means we have to wash them with clean and cold water. Okay. Next, don'ts. These are all the things we should not do to protect our eyes. What means? Read in too dim or too bright light. I have told you, no. If we read in a too dim light means our eyes power will damage. In too bright light also we should not read. That time also our eye will blink. So we should read in a correct light. Next, play video games or watch TV for long hours. These are, see, if we watch TV or video games for a long hours means our eyes will affect. We should not do that. Likewise, they have said, rub your eyes with your fist. We should, that only I told, no. If something itchy in your eyes means you should not rub your eyes with your fist hand. Okay, you have to wash the eye with clean and cold water. Next, look at down. If you find it difficult to read the classroom board from your place, tell your teacher, a parent, and consult a doctor. You must follow the suggestion of the ophthalmologist or eye doctor. What they have said, students, you in your classroom you are sitting in your place and you can't see the blackboard means properly. You have to say it to the teacher or to your parents. Okay, if you not say means your studies only will affect. If you say to your teacher means your teacher will inform to parent. Okay, or else you have to inform to our parents at least. They will consult a doctor and give a proper treatment. That only said in this para. Ophthalmologist, that means deals with the diagnosis and the treatment of disorder of eye. The disorder of eye treating person is known as ophthalmologist. Okay. Next, do you know a condition known as digital eye strain is common among people working at computers all day? This condition leads to dry eyes, eye strain, blurred vision, and headache. What they have said, continuously we see in TV or working in a computer means eye strain will form. Okay, that name is digital eye strain. This condition leads to dry eyes and eye strain, blurred vision, and headache. Blurred means our vision will not be clear. Something blurring, like we will see. If we look at one place means that place will be not seen very clearly. It will be blur. That is said here, and headache will come. This disease name as digital eye strain. Okay, students, once again I recap. Sense organs, there are 5 sense organs. Sense organs means observe and understand the world around us. To that sense organ is used. What are all the 5 sense organ means? Sight, touch, smell, taste, and hearing. Okay. Usually sense organ will protect themselves. For example, eyelids and lashes and all protect from dust and foreign particles. And next, what are all the do's and don'ts have given for eyes. We should read in a proper light. Watch television at a minimum distance of 6 feet. Next, you should not itch your eyes. You should clean with cold water. If any itching in your eyes means you have to clean the eye with clean and cold water. Next, what are all the things we do not do means should not read in a very dim light or in a bright light. Should not watch television or video games long hours. Should not rub our eyes with the feast. Next, while in your classroom you can't see a blackboard means you have to inform to a parent or teacher, then they have to consult a doctor and get a proper treatment. Okay, next, in that box what said means if you continuously work in a system or watch a TV means you will get a disease that name is digital eye strain. This leads to dry eyes, eye strain, blurred vision and headache. Okay student, I hope you understand the class. Now look at page number 92. There is an activity. Okay, see, read the statements given below. Identify whether it is a right. Put a tick, a wrong, and put the suitable symbol. What they have said, for each action they have given two pictures. One is a right one and another one is a wrong one. For the right one you have to put a tick in a above box. A box also given there. For a wrong action you have to put a cross mark. Look at there. First one I tell you, wet your hands before washing. First action only correct one, second is the wrong one, so first action you have to put a tick mark. Next, come to second one, apply soap on hands. Okay, first one is the correct one, second one is the wrong one, so you have to put a first one tick mark and second one cross mark. Next, rub the back of the fingers. Okay, in this also first one is correct one. How to rub a back of the fingers, given picture, see that only correct one. Next, second one is the wrong one, so you have to put a cross mark on the box. Next, rub the thumb. Thumb, which is thumb? Yeah, that fifth finger we say no, that is thumb. That only cleaning in first picture. So the first one is right, second one is wrong. Use enough water to rinse the hands. First one wrong. First one is cleaning the palm, so it is the wrong one. Next only using enough water to clean the hands, so it is the correct one. Next, wash your hands at least for 2 minutes. In picture first one they have giving wrist picture, wrist catching picture, so it is wrong. In a sentence what given, at least 2 minutes have to wash, so washing is the correct action. So we have to put a cross mark in the first box and tick mark in the second box. Okay, use soap for bathing. A baby in a tub keeping soap hand, no, that is the correct action. So first one is correct, second one is wrong. Second baby will not have a soap in hand, so it is a wrong action, you have to put a cross mark on it. Next, last one, using toilets is a good habit. First one correct one, a small boy is sitting on a toilet. Second one, see, a boy is sitting in a open place, it is a wrong one, so I have to put a cross mark. Once again I tell you simply, for first one, first box you have to put tick mark, second one cross. For second one, first box you have to put a tick, second box wrong. For third, first one correct, second one wrong. For fourth, first one correct, second one wrong. For fifth one, first one wrong, second one correct. For sixth one, first one is wrong, second one is correct. Next, for seventh one, first one is correct, second one is wrong. For eighth one, first one is correct, second one is wrong. See, they have given another activity. Let us find. Varun is in the bathroom. He is searching the things to take bath. Help him to find the things by coloring them. What they have given? Varun, small boy, is in the bathroom. Okay, he is searching for the bath things. You have to color and help him. In a box they have given no. You have to color it. Okay. First towel is given. I show you how to color. Picture I going to give. Likewise you have to color and send. First towel, next mug, next below that mug given soap, next. Okay students, you have to do this activity page and send me as a homework. Okay, I hope you understand the class. We will meet on next class. Thank you student.